Hi guys, I'm Jovi from Taifa24, and today guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Coinmarketcap account as a pro. As you know guys, the Coinmarketcap is a place where you can make a research of any coin, or you can make a research of a new coin if you want to buy a new one. Also, you can trace the history of a certain coin here in Coinmarketcap. Apart from that, you can even make money on Coinmarketcap as well as earn some of NFT, but this topic will be discussed in the next video. So guys, in order to know how to create a Coinmarketcap account, just watch this video full so as you can learn how to do so like a pro. In order to get started guys, you just need to download a Coinmarketcap account. But if you don't have download a Coinmarketcap account, just click on the description of this video. You will see the link to download the Coinmarketcap account. But in my case, I already have a Coinmarketcap account, so what to do, I'm going to start the process of creating a Coinmarketcap account. As you see guys, this is the interface of Coinmarketcap account. As you can see here, as I told you prior, that in Coinmarketcap account you can trace the different coin. For instance, over here I want to buy the coin called Safe Trees. So if I want to search it, I come here and search. You see, this is the Safe Trees token. If I want to know historical data of this token, and I can trace over here, you can trace over 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, etc, etc. So to get started on how to create a Coinmarketcap account, just click on the profile icon over here and then create an account. But if you already have an account, you can click on login. But in my case, I don't have a Coinmarketcap account, so I'll just start as a fresh. So I click over here. Here you'll be required to enter your email address. So I put this email, for instance, this email. Then you need to choose the account, you need the password of the account. In referral ID, you can put it if you want to invite someone to join. If someone invites you to join a Coinmarketcap, but no one invited me, so I will leave it as it is. But if you have someone invited you to join, you can press the referral ID of someone invite you to join Coinmarketcap, and once you join, you'll get 100 Coinmarketcap diamond. But in my case, I don't have someone who invite me, so after that you can click on create account. Then you, after click on create account, you need to solve this captcha. So you will click on or you restrict this puzzle so as you can fit it right here. Slide slowly until it fit. So now it fit. So after that, Coinmarketcap will send me activation email in my email over here. They already send me activation. So I'm going to open email over here. Then I will need to copy this verification code. So once you copy it, I need to press over here. It is 05 05 46 46 46 and so now my account is right there. Subscribe to the newsletter here. You can subscribe so you can get any update or any news. They will send it to you. So if you want to get those info, giveaway, and the other notification, you can subscribe. So you click no thanks. So as you can see, guys, now I open new Coinmarketcap account. Okay, so as you can see, guys, Coinmarketcap sent me the notification email that welcome to Coinmarketcap. Congratulations setting up your account. You now have access to account features. So my Coinmarketcap account is already created. So guys, this is how you can create a Coinmarketcap account. So guys, this scroll this Coinmarketcap. So as you can see, the features available. As I told you guys, in Coinmarketcap you can do different things, but most of people use Coinmarketcap to make a research of any coin. So for instance, I want to buy a new coin, so I come here and search a new coin that I want to buy. Like already set the coin called SF3s. I wanted to buy it, so it is here. So now we can make a evaluation of this coin. You can see live chat over here. People are chatting over here. Market. You can see even portfolio. They don't have portfolio. In alert, you can add it in your wait list. So as if the price is down or is up, Coinmarketcap will send you notification. In historical data, you can see how this project started, the price was how much, and how it's going. For instance, when I look at in 1 year, because this coin have 1 year, you can see the price change over here. In 90 days, also you can see the price change. You can see it on 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 5 days, 90 days, and 1 year. So you can make a search of the coin you want to buy. Also, you can see the arrangement of coin by looking on its market cap. You can see the trending one is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other coin. In watch list, as I told you prior, you can add the coin you want to trace. So if the price is up or the price is down, if you add it to any coin, you will see the notification from Coinmarketcap regarding the price of that coin. So you can take the action. So if you see the price is low, you can buy. Also here in Coinmarketcap, you can read the different news regarding a certain coin. You can see up there is the latest news: Bitcoin slipped in minutes after string OTS inflation. So there is different news you can see, for instance, I want to know the latest news regarding Bitcoin, so I click over here and scroll down, and I will see the latest news regarding Bitcoin. So the trend one in today, 2022, Bitcoin price fall to lowest level since December. So here there is the news regarding this. You can read it so you can be aware what is going on in crypto, coin invested, like Bitcoin, etc. So guys, this is how you can create a Coinmarketcap account like a pro. In the next video guys, I'm going to show you how to earn some money or to earn some NFT in Coinmarketcap. So guys, consider to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have a question, just leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to join my community in Telegram and Facebook, so as I will share all my video I will upload regarding how to make money online, cryptocurrency included. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.